Hi, I'm Ryan Gustin. This is derrrrsome messing with a beehive.
Can you get the camera? Put like 4 in.
Alright, hold this.
Oh shit.
There's the beehive.
I don't know if they can see him that well.
They just launch out. Let me see.
Holy shit, that's a lot of bees.
Holy crap. They're getting mad. Getting mad. Run! Hold on. Sup, little bees? Sup? Okay, that one hit. They're mad. 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 Got a brick. Screw those bees. Beehive.
Brick.
Beehive, me brick.
Versus brick. Okay, they didn't get mad yet. They didn't make it in. They're just going in. Okay, beehive. Fuck. They're running! Go!